Chimera OS and Batocera are both Linux-based gaming operating systems, but they serve very different audiences. Chimera OS is designed to instantly turn any PC into a console-like experience with a controller-friendly interface, automatic updates, and support for thousands of modern games across Steam, Epic, and GOG, making it ideal for users who want their PC to feel like a living room console. Batocera, by contrast, is focused on retro gaming, shipping with emulation station and support for dozens of classic consoles, um, just like this one, Steam Deck, and Raspberry Pi. Of course, it runs on PC with some arcade systems and classic consoles. These are for users who want a plug and play emulation box. So, in short, Chimera OS wins if you want a streamlined PC gaming console, while Batocera Linux wins if your priority is retro emulation across multiple platforms.